Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn Standard 9 English Medium Maths. Now starting first all syllabus chapters continue but in before we have to study some basic rules and formulas of maths. All this basic formula used in a 9 standard, 10 standard and in up standard. So today in this lecture we have to learn some basic formula and some basic simplification are used in maths. So first we understand number, it means positive number, negative number and relation between these number different way. First we have to return number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n term. Up to n means up to n term. So here return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this number series two types of number are present in this series. First is 1, 3, 5, 7. This all number we can say that odd number, and remains number you can see here 2, 4, 6, 8. This type of number is known as even number. So here number series divided by two parts, odd number and even number. Now another prime number and composite number. So let's start with first prime number. Prime number means number contain only two factor. Which two factor? First, number itself and 1. For example, here take 5, 2, 7, 11, 3. This all number contain only two factor. For take 5, 5 is number itself and 1. 2 means number itself and 1. So only contain two factor. Now 3 is also 2, 3 and 1. Number itself and 1. In similar way, number itself and 1. So prime number means number contains only two factor. First number itself and another is 1. So in number series here 1 is not counted in a prime number or a composite number, because 1 is a unique number, is not counted in a prime or a composite. So this number start with 2. 2 is a prime number. 3 is also prime number. 5, 7, 11. So you can see one thing observe there, only 2 is a which type of number? Even number, even plus prime. So smallest only one number, smallest prime number is 2 and 2 is even number. So only 2 contain as even number. Then after 2 all number is odd plus prime number. And composite number means number contain more than two factor. It means number is not a prime, then this number is called composite number. So 5, 2, 3, 7, 11, except then another number is a composite number. For example, for example 6. So 6 contain more than 2 factor. Number itself and 1 is a contain factor, but 6 have total 2, 3, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 1, 6. So number contain more than 2 factor. So this type of number is known as composite number. After understanding this odd, even, composite and odd number, we have to learn some different name of number. So start with natural number. Natural number is denoted by capital N, and this number start with positive integers. Positive integers means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. Is not end with one number, is continue sequence going. So natural number is capital N denoted and only contain positive integers. Now integers means what? So understand later. Positive integers is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This natural number add with 0. It means natural number plus 0 is known as whole number. And this whole number is denoted by capital W. So number contain only positive integers. It means natural number positive integers plus 0. The number is whole number. And now another is negative integers. So it's called integers and is denoted by I, and these have positive, negative and 0. Therefore minus 3, minus 2, 0, 1, 2 up to n, similarly up to n term. So integers is denoted by I, and here no, only this integers is known as positive integers. Here is 0 and is negative integers. So in this reason we have to return at only positive. It means number count with 1, 2, 3, and negative means number count with minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and 0. So number and this different type of form like odd number, even number. So here we learn different type of number, composite numbers, prime number, and union of some number. It means positive, negative, 0, only positive, only 0 plus positive. So different name. So this is a basic information about number. Now after this understanding, we have to study some simplification of in form of x. So here we have discussed about 3 equations. First is a plus b whole square, next a minus b whole square, then a square minus b square. Understand this equation. Now first equation answer is, first simplify them when two number and whole square. So simplify after this number in a 3 step. It means first step is square of first number plus here step after writing. Now first number square plus second number square. So sign is always positive. Here plus minus not matter. Now middle term. Middle term when here plus, so you can return as a plus. So you can see here minus between this term, so always return minus. But here plus b, this sign is always plus in all this type of equation. So answer is 2 into first term multiplied by second term. So equation is a square plus 2ab plus b square. In similar way, a minus b whole square. So start with same process. First term square, here middle term plus second term square. Now middle term you can see here minus sign, so you can middle term minus and then multiply by two terms. It means 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b. So answer is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here different form. In two equation we observe that square is after completed two terms. It means addition of two terms or subtraction of two terms, then bracket and then square. But here square is particular term. It means first term square minus second number square. This simplify how? So here one time plus and another time minus, and between two bracket multiplication relation. It means when you see that square of particular number, then apply into two parts. First part is subtraction of two number, then addition of two number bracket and multiply by this. So understand by example. You have to take one example of a plus b whole square. It means x plus 5 whole square. So how to simplify? You have observed that a square plus 2ab plus b square. So answer is first term square. It means first term square plus, here plus to return value plus 2ab plus b square. Now first term square plus multiply by two term plus second square plus second term square. So answer is x square plus 2 into 5. You have multiplied by term. Suppose here x term, so x term multiply by only x term. And constant number, it means without x term multiply by only constant number. So 5 into 10x plus 25. So here answer of given term, it means x plus 5 whole square is equal to x square plus 10x plus 25. Suppose in here minus sign, so when you change only here this plus is converted into minus, so minus sign, so here minus. So only three changes when minus sign. Here minus, so this second term is minus, so answer is minus. Now apply this term, x square minus 25. So first you can convert this type of term, first term square minus second term square. So x square, right, minus 25. 25 means 5 square. So then is converted a square minus b square. And this equation is only applied when minus sign. Here in place of minus, a square plus b square, so we can't apply this equation only for minus sign between two term and then particular square of two term. So a square minus b square, answer is one time subtraction of two number multiply, second time addition of two number. So x minus 5 and here x plus 5 is the answer of a square minus 25. So friends, practice this equation by created itself. Question you can also create it. Only remember that this equation is condition will be satisfied, and remember and write down this basic concept of numbers. Thank you friends.